Sigurado na ang libreng matrikula para sa lahat ng estudyante sa higit 100 state colleges and universities sa bansa. Ngayong pirmado na ni Pangulong Duterte ang Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. This is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas po. Mahalin po natin ito. Pag-uusapan po natin itong Free College Education Law. Isang batas na nagbibigay ng libreng edukasyon sa ating mga kabataan. At ito ay pinirmahan ng dating Presidente Rodrigo Duterte, Republic Act Number 10931, Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education, institutionalizing free tuition and other school fees in state universities and colleges, local universities and colleges, and state-run technical vocational institution under TESDA. So lahat po ng mga government institution ay dapat libre na po yung college. Naka-address ito. Merong mga state colleges, universities, provincial, city colleges. Covers tuition and other school fees for undergraduate students in public higher education and TESDA. Then, tertiary education subsidy offers technical aid to extra costs like books, living expenses, prioritizing poor students, and student loan program. Make short or long-term loans available to students who need extra help with educational expenses, and governing body managed and strengthened through UNIFAS Board, Unified Student Financial Assistance System for Tertiary Education. So isa pong batas na napakaganda nagbibigay ng libreng edukasyon sa ating mga kabataan, lalo-lalo na sa mga colleges. Napakahirap po magpaaral ngayon sa mahal ng bilihin. Mahal ang inflation. Number one talaga yung inflation. Yung po ang pinakamahirap sa ating bansa ngayon. Mahal po ang bilihin. Yung 1,000 mo dati, sa aking example nga, pag namalingki ka dati, medyo mabigat-bigat. Pero ngayon, wala na. Itatapon mo lang. Pag nakasakay ka na sa tricycle o tricycle, itatapon na. Ilang pirasong isda lang yun. Then kinaumaga naman, kakain ka na ulit. Then tataas pa yung mga... So, free college education, isang legacy ni President Rudy Duterte. Napakagaling na presidente. Ang daming nagawa. At ito ay libreng edukasyon para sa mga government colleges, universities, and local state colleges. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas po. This is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang. Malin po natin ito. Bye-bye for now. See you next time.
A political analyst, Danny Dayang Hirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayang Hirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.